What are you trying to say? What would you like? You gonna talk to me this morning? What? Talk to me. Oh, really? And Mom won't let you? No. Am I mean to you? I won't let you go outside and play with your friends? Oh, that is so sad. You are so deprived. You know? Okay. Have you been a good boy? Maybe I should let you. Yes? Maybe you should say please. Okay, you want to go outside? Let's go outside.